In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use custom awakening outfit in Jujutsu Shenanigans. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to purchase and customize the awakening outfit in Jujutsu Shenanigans. So as you might be aware, whenever you go into your awakened form, you will be able to play out an animation and change your outfit. To do this, you will need to purchase the Game Pass. So if you don't have it already, go over to Game Pass and then purchase Awakening Outfits. It costs 100 Robux. Now on this account, I don't have the Game Pass, but don't worry, I'm still gonna give you instructions on how to set it up. After you purchase the Game Pass, if you go over to the main options of the game, under Camera Follow, you will have the Awakening Outfit options. Now, how do you add new outfits into this menu? What you have to do is leave Jujutsu Shenanigans and you have to go over to your avatar page. In here, if you go to customize, you will be able to make new awakening outfits. So by default, you will have the creations tab selected. What you have to do is add new presets or custom outfits in here. So to start, click this first option and then save as new. Now, you will be able to name it whatever you wish, so I'm just going to name it Awakening Jujutsu as a random example, and now you will be able to customize this outfit. So you can go ahead and equip whatever it is that you want to use on this outfit, so you can change literally everything about your character. So I'm just going to change the hair, but of course you can spend a lot of time and customize everything. For this video, I just changed the hair, and I'm gonna leave it at that. Now go back to creations under characters, and now what you have to do is click on any of these and you will be able to save them. So click on this icon once more and then update existing character. Now choose the one that you want to save this outfit to. So the one that I created was Awakening Jujutsu. And once you have the presets here, you can make as many as you wish for as many awakening outfits as you want to use. Once you have them saved, you will be able to go back inside of the game, and whenever you choose the option to awaken, you will be able to customize with that specific outfit that you have just made. I hope I was able to help you on how to use custom awakening outfit in Jujutsu Shenanigans. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.